This is Tajamul Adil. Today I'm starting a giveaway program and first time I'm doing a giveaway on my channel. I have selected Apple CarPlay with the dash camera and from now on I will do giveaways regularly.
Wow!
By the way, this Apple CarPlay supports iOS 18 9.26-inch screen and it also supports Android Auto, which is a great news for Android users.
Wow!
I hope you guys will support me in this giveaway, but this giveaway is only for people who are residing in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. The process of participating is very simple. You need to follow only 3 steps. Subscribe to my channel, like this post and tag 2 friends in the comment section. Share this video so more people can part of this video and write a comment why you need this Apple CarPlay with the dash camera in the comment section. I will announce the winner in just 2 weeks, so follow the steps and be the first winner for this giveaway.
Wow!
I have already published a complete video how you can use this and how you can install this in your car. For more detail, you can find this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.